Should you use organic marketing or paid ads to launch or pre-sell an online course or coaching program? Hello, I'm Sarah Cordner, your qualified course creation expert. And the answer to this is it depends what your budget is, your time frame is for launching. There are so many things to consider. It's always better to book a call with me to get the best advice on this. However, just to give you a few tips to think about first. Now, first of all, I think that if you want to get lots and lots of eyeballs really fast in a short period of time on a particular product, then of course paid advertising is always the way to go. If you have the budget and if you have tested that a funnel works from getting a free opt-in or something that upsells fast enough for you to cover the costs of your ad spend. Ads are great for fast, lots of eyeballs by a particular deadline, for sure. However, for your ongoing business marketing, I also recommend strongly that you have a very strong organic marketing plan behind the scenes. Now, the chances are if you've created a product or creating a product at the moment, you are going to need to put that in front of the eyes of people for the rest of time, whether you're running it on set dates for set cohort intakes or whether you are going to have it open, evergreen. You need to make sure your marketing is continuous, and organic marketing is a very powerful way for you to continue to build an audience, to create fans, to build relationships, and to keep engagement growing with the people that are beginning to follow you. Organic marketing basically is video content, written content, visual content that your audience are interested in, that not only feed the current audience that you already have, but also continue to draw in new people to your sphere of influence as well. If you're not bringing new people in and keeping the people who are already there, as time goes on, your sales will basically drop. So I recommend that organic marketing is the strongest part of your focus when it comes to your marketing campaign for the longevity and sustainability of your sales and your business going forward. However, if you have one big special day that you're aiming to make a bang on, I would then just top up your organic marketing efforts with a short period of paid advertising to really give that launch or that pre-sale period a boost. I hope that helps.